Hello and welcome back to Exam Party. Today we'll be solving a question on approximation, and this is a kind of question you will likely come across in your external exams. Approximation questions can be solved either by using calculator or standard form. For the sake of this lesson, I'll be addressing the two methods. Come along with me. The question says evaluate correct to 3 decimal places. So we have 4.314 multiplied by 0.000056 divided by 0.0067. Now, like I said earlier, I'm going to be addressing this question using two different methods. That is the calculator method and the standard form method. Let me take you through the standard form method. This number can be converted to a standard form. I can write this as 4314. Let's take out the decimal. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So the decimal point will be here. That's 3 places. So we have 4314 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. Now let's look at this other number. We have 0.000056. Let's convert this also to a standard form. Remember, when you are dealing with standard form, your number must be in one decimal place. Not one decimal place per se, but you must have just one number before the decimal point. When you have two numbers before the decimal point, you are no longer calling it a standard form. So I can have this to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So my decimal point lies here. So I have 5.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5. Remember, I moved 5 direction. Remember, I moved 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then to the last one, we have 0.0067, which is equal to 1, 2, and 3. So we have 6.7 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. So let's solve this after converting to standard form. We can now have 4314 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 times 5.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 over 6.7 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. Now we have to multiply 4314 by 5.6 and then divide it by 6.7. So we have 4314 times 5.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5 over 6.7 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. So the answer to this is 3605.7 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5 divided by 10 raised to the power of minus 3. Remember, we only multiplied this and divided it by 6.7. We did not touch the standard forms. So now let's deal with the standard form. So we have 3605.7 times 10 raised to the power of, this here will be joined together by an addition. So we have minus 3 plus times minus will still give us minus 5. So we have a division sign, and this division will become minus. Then we have this one to be raised to the power of minus 3. So we have 3605.7 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 minus 5. Minus times minus will give us plus 3. So we have 3605.7 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 minus 5. That would give us minus 8. Minus 8 plus 3, that would give us minus 5. So our final answer, because the question asks us to approximate to 3 decimal places. So we have 10 raised to the power of minus 5. So let's move 5 places backward. Let's move 5 places backward. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is our point. So we have 0.036057. But the question says to 3 decimal places. So this is our third decimal place. So we have 0.036. Now let's use our calculator, which is the other method. Let's just calculate straight. So for the other method, the second method, which is equals to 4.314 times 0.000056 divided by 0.0067. Using our calculator, this would give us 0.036. Can you see they are the same but different approach? Thank you for learning how to solve approximation with me. See you in our next video. Keep learning. Bye.